Hello everybody, this is Just Boz and welcome back to yet another video here on the channel. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how you guys can get a copper golem here within Minecraft on both Java Edition and Bedrock Edition. This is fairly simple to go ahead and do, so we're going to go ahead and dive straight into this. But if you guys do want more Minecraft content just like this, make sure you're leaving a like on this video, sharing with some friends, and of course subscribing to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and you won't miss any future Minecraft updates because we're going to keep you updated with all the latest and greatest Minecraft content. That being said, if you don't know what copper golems are, they're super useful for building automatic storage systems here within Minecraft. We'll dive into exactly how they work once we get loaded into the world, but a lot of you guys are probably having issues getting these to appear in your world, and the reason why is probably one of two things. Number one, there's a setting that we're going to turn on in just a sec, but the first thing is obviously making sure you're loading into the latest snapshot version of Minecraft. I have a tutorial on the channel. It's the last video I uploaded before this one. I recommend checking that out for a guide on both Java Edition and Bedrock Edition. But load into the Minecraft preview and then hit play preview just like so, and then hit create a new world. Or you can edit this in your old worlds as well, but essentially you're going to want to go to this little experiment section all the way at the bottom and find this section that says drop 3 2025. Go ahead and tick this on and hit turn on experiments anyway, and that's really all you need to do for this specific thing. For some reason, everyone is leaving this out of their videos. It will not work unless you do this, so make sure you turn on this setting. From here, you can make your world like normal. I'm just going to put it on creative so I can show you guys exactly how this works and give you a direct tutorial. But essentially, once you get loaded into this world, and by the way, this is a nice biome to do this in, you're going to need a few different things. But let me explain how copper golems work. So these guys right here are copper golems, and what they're going to do is actually take things from these copper chests, which you can craft by just simply surrounding a chest with copper ingots, and essentially move those items into a storage system. It's pretty cool. For example, I just have this copper chest right here, and then I'm going to just go ahead and I guess get myself a normal chest. We'll make it a bigger one, as well as get something like, I guess, I don't know, gold. Essentially, I can just place this like right over here, and essentially any item that I put in here, the copper golem is going to go ahead and sort and start putting in this other chest. It's pretty cool. You can make these massive storage systems with it, but as you can see, it's moving them in here pretty quickly. If I refresh that, we got 16 in here now. Oh, it's awesome. Not to mention they look pretty cool too. They look pretty awesome. Now here's how you can actually make them. You're going to want to place any single copper block. It doesn't really matter which one you do. It could be oxidized, semi, or fully clean. It, once again, doesn't really matter. For example, I'll do this one right here. And then you're also going to want to go ahead and get yourself a carved pumpkin. Essentially just place it down just like so. Place a little carved pumpkin up on top, and it's going to make yourself a copper golem. And these guys are going to be sorting like crazy. It's honestly awesome how it works. Look, he's even going and taking stuff out of this chest if there was anything in there. And the other one's going to take stuff out of the other chest. Just keep in mind, copper golems are currently only available on Minecraft Bedrock betas and preview Java snapshots. If you're watching this in the future, they may already be a part of this game, so you don't have to be on the preview in order to get this. But yeah, if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!